Hello. Okay, so today we're gonna make smiley face pants, and here are the things that you're gonna need: some fabric paint, fabric markers, and then also a brush, and then the pants, which I thrifted for like $4. So here I am mixing up the yellow. I just did yellow and white because the white makes it more opaque and it helps it pop more on the pants since the pants are dark. You could also do white circles first and then paint yellow circles on top, and then it would be much more vibrant, but this is kind of like a lazy way out if you want. Make sure your pants are really flat, no wrinkles. You can iron them too. Makes it a lot easier to paint. Also, I said that you need like fabric markers, but if you have black fabric paint, then it'd probably it'd be better to paint like the face details on with black paint rather than the marker, just because I don't know, I feel like it looks nicer. I feel like it'll probably stay better. I've washed these already and like everything stayed so far, but I don't know, something about the paint makes it seem more permanent. And then here I am painting even more circles, just a closer up shot. Here's another circle on the crotch this time, little half crotch circle, and then a complete crotch circle just for you, just for me. These are mine. And then here's another circle. I decided I like the diffused like circumference better than the more solid, so I went back to the previous ones and I like kind of diffused the outer edge. And then here I am using a hairdryer trying to speed up the process, which I probably shouldn't have done. I should have just waited because, as you can see here, it was kind of hard to draw the details on because the paint wasn't dry yet. But I just kept layering it and like doing that thing where like a pen is running out of ink, so you like scribble on a piece of paper, but I did that on my hand instead. Little kissy face. These aren't really smiley face pants. Honestly, emoji pants is probably more accurate, but I don't know why I hate that so much, saying emoji pants. Plus these aren't even emojis. Okay, and then after you do all the faces, you can heat set with an iron. I honestly think it was way too hot because it was steaming so much. You can also use like a straightener if you don't have an iron. I've done that before and it works. And then here they are done. Yay! I really like how these turned out. I'm so awkward at posing. I'm sorry about that, but whatever. It's fine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you wanna. You can follow me on Instagram or TikTok. I post art stuff on there too. So yeah, I don't know. That's it.